Welcome to your first challenge with Flutter 2.0 and Flame 1.0 is to create your own animated sprite for your game. If you're following this tutorial series in sequence, this is the challenge after video number 5. All the lessons prior to this challenge are on here on this blog. The link is in the description. If you're actually following it very closely, there is actually a 6th video which is inserted between lesson 1 and lesson 2. That's how to use VS Code effectively with Flutter. If you're new to Flutter, I suggest going through this video as well too. So you would have watched 6 videos. As part of this challenge, there is also another video that you need to watch for this challenge. This is on how to create the Sprite animation sheet yourself using a free and open source image editor called GIMP. You can use another technique, but you will need to create this Sprite sheet if you use the assets from the 2D game art site that we're using. This is a completed project using these videos and this challenge from a high school student. This is a challenge. Use your own graphics. Find a set of graphics or a sprite sheet and integrate that into your own Flame game. Use your own notes. Do not follow the video line by line for this challenge. The challenge is to see whether you can create the game on your own, not following the videos line by line. Use the videos if you are stuck. What I suggest is that you go through the videos again and take notes and prepare yourself mentally to go through it by yourself and see what you need to finish the challenge. At a high school student, go through the challenge. The student was able to complete the challenge and use this cute girl, it's what it's called, from the site 2D Game Art. The link is also in this video. Here's a review of the steps. So again, do not go through the same videos and just insert the graphic and change it. The challenge is to create it yourself. You don't have to watch the full video. So if you're pretty confident, you can maybe skip around through the videos and fast forward or just click to a certain section to find out the key steps and learn those Flutter and Flame commands. Step 2, you have to grab your own sprite. In this example, we used a freebie sprite sheet from gameart2d.com. You can get any sprite sheet that you want to complete the challenge. Step 3, create your own Flame game. Just using Flutter create. This step is fairly simple. You just have to create a brand new Flutter project. This is to emphasize that you do not take your previous game that you created and simply change the animated sprite character. The challenge is to create it from scratch, create it from zero. Step 4. First, you create a non-moving sprite on the screen because it's easier. So by that, I mean it's just a single image. There's no animation. The sprite does not move left and right. It doesn't move up and down. It's just there. Step 5, move the sprite on the screen. The base game, here's a tip, has an update method. Put the movement of the proper property in the update method. So, to move something, you do +1, for example, would be the easiest way to do it. Then use a sprite sheet, or you have to either get a sprite sheet online and have it all on one horizontal line. It's the easiest way to do it. Or create the sprite sheet yourself using separate graphics. If you use this open if you use this gameart2d.com site, it comes as separate files. And so you're going to need to create it into one single horizontal sprite sheet. That's the easiest way to do it with Flame. Then move the character on the screen. Once you complete the challenge, congratulate yourself. If you want to put a link, to a GIF or something that you finished it, feel free to add it to the comment section. Also, if you just want to say, hey, I finished the challenge, let's do it. Thumbs up to you, and congratulations again on getting this far in your quest to become a mobile app developer with Flutter and Flame. If you're just dropped into this video series, this is part of the Code Cakes tutorial series. It's just a personal project. It's a hobby for myself. The objective is actually to teach your own kid to code. The site here is medium.com/codecakes. It's all one word. This lesson here is based on Flutter and Flame. You can go here and get all the lessons. This is, other than Pygame, this was the most effective lesson that I've built for my own kids. There's also this playlist that I'm publishing, and I think it's up to 15 videos at this point. So also the playlist will be in the description too, if you want to drop in. I'm publishing these videos at a regular pace, so you should probably subscribe to this channel so you can get the latest update. I'm spacing it out so that I can edit it or maybe go back to it before the actual publication. So I think the actually publicly available videos might be around 10 or 11 videos at this stage, but they're already, I have it posted on a scheduled basis, so it should come out in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much. If you liked the video, give it a like. I'd love to see whether you completed the challenge or not. So drop me a comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.